Good day. Today I'm going to show you how to create a quotation for your opportunities or existing customer. So quotation is under sales menu. To the left you'll see the quotation mark option, and for a quotation must be created for a customer or existing opportunity. So I am going to pull up my favorite customer called 5-Star Burger, and I am going to create that quotation very quickly for aerial or underground drop that has many line items, and we want to show you how to create that very quickly. So at this point I can go in here and I can look at opportunity and actually create the quote, or I can go to quotation here, this option, straight away. For those of you know your customer information, you can go directly into that and just click create a quotation. And the first thing when you do that, if you go directly into it, you have to enter the customer name. In this case I'm going to choose 5-Star Burger, my favorite joint in Taos, and it'll pull up all the relevant information. And at this point you'll see that it does not have any information. It's a brand new quote. So all I do is add a variant, and variant is like a product with a bunch of different sub items listed. So in this case I made it very easy for you guys. You just enter a star and it shows fiber drop estimate aerial and underground. So if I pick aerial estimate, it's going to pull up all different line items, both from materials and labor perspective, and all you need to do is change the number of quantity that is needed for this particular estimate. And again, remember, you can always come back and make the change as you see fit, because remember, a quotation is an estimate. So in this case you see that 1, 2, 3, I'm randomly changing those quotation, and you don't need to delete any of these. I'll show you how it's going to pick up. So I'll come down here and let's say I'm going to pick a fiber, 96 count of fiber as well, and then in this case I can close this thing and add more variant, or I can add to order and add more variant. So in this case let me show you how to add to an order and then what it will show. So we'll pick up only those variants that I indicated the quantity, otherwise it assumes those quantities are 0 and not going to bother you with those details. So you see 1, 2, 3, and then 96 count of fiber is also set, and that price including taxes is showing up here. So and in this case you can set additional terms and condition, and for your benefit in description section I did add a verbiage there that actual install cost may differ based on the work completed by the installation crew. So you may want to call that out here as well. So I can say this is an estimate based on the data provided, and actual cost may differ based on the work completed by the installation crew. Now this message will be there all the time. So now all I have to do is save it, and your estimate is ready to go. So at this point you can add additional variables here by just go to edit mode and add additional line items until you're ready to send that out. So I can add additional line items here and so on. Okay, so once you complete this thing, you're ready to send it by email or print it out, and then once customer confirm that, then you will confirm the sale and actually create that order for a crew to go out and create or complete the drop. You can always cancel the quotation as well. The quotation stays in the system forever, so you can create as many quotation as you need for your customer so that your customer estimate stays here until customer pays for that drop, and then you can create the confirmed sale to generate actual work order for your crew. So now that concludes the quotation instructions for you guys very quickly. If you have any questions, comments, or any ways to improve this, do let me know. Thank you.